Hello everybody, welcome to Tyler's YouTube channel. Sorry, you do that. You're like, hello. You look like a little praying mantis or something. Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Let's Do Something. Today, Olivia and myself are going to build the Rubik's Cube 2 impossible jigsaw puzzles. We like puzzles and we both know how to solve Rubik's Cube.
And it's Tyler's birthday. Happy birthday!
It's got nothing to do with my birthday, but yes, happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday.
This does not look like two cubes. I feel like it's a two-dimensional thing.
Oh, I think it is. Whatever.
This is so weird. Isn't it weird?
It's interesting. I bet it'll look cool once it's done.
I got a piece.
Oh, frick. Oh, these two are stuck together. Is it for a good reason? Yes! I got my first two pieces.
That didn't even count.
And it didn't even count. Oh, no, I got pieces.
I got pieces.
There you got another piece. Hey, how high can my voice get? How do none of these work?
Look at me though.
Lucky?
Lucky? I think it's two-dimensional.
I think so too.
I just thought I'd let you know. Look at these are like the exact same puzzle piece.
It's weird.
Look at these. They're like the exact same piece. Oh, it's weird. Need a white piece?
Plenty of them over here.
I got it.
I need a square. I need a square.
No.
Yeah. Well, let me help you. Damn it.
Hey, look, your square fit there.
Yay! I made a contribution. I made a contribution.
Look it.
Hey, you got one. Nice.
That's cool.
Woo!
I really thought these were like three-dimensional.
Yeah.
Oh well. They're still cool.
Pretty cool.
Me.
Woo! We got him!
Woo.
Alright guys, so thank you very much for watching this. I tried to make it as entertaining as I could video.
It's fun.
Yeah, it was interesting. I mean, it came in a box like this, so I thought we were just gonna have two little, I guess we already have three-dimensional cubes, so.
Yeah. It would have been cool to build up.
Alright, well, once again, thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Leave a comment in the description below about other videos that we should make, and, yeah. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. As we said before, please give this video a thumbs up and all that good stuff. It really means a lot to us. Please check out our previous video where Olivia surprises me with tickets to Universal Studios. Heading there in a few days, so possibly expect a few videos from there. Alright guys, once again, thank you for watching.